Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and change a plan right there in your Netflix account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. For that purpose, what you will have to do is make sure you will go to your phone browser, type in netflix.com and get to this page over here and get logged in as well with the account where you would like to change your plan. After you're done with all of that stuff, go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line on top left corner of your mobile phone. Go ahead, tap on this account option. Once you do that, this will open this kind of interface with all of the informations and etc. Then you can see this, like plan details over here. You can see it's basic HD over here right now. So we tap on this change plan option below, basically where you can actually change your plans. You can say this is the correct chosen plans. If you want to choose a particular one, let's say it's for like mobiles, go ahead, choose that particular plan that you would like to change to. Tap on this continue option given below, and it will show you the current plan that you have been using and paying for, and then the new plan that you will use and will pay for. Tap on this confirm change, and then if you'll go back, this will show this kind of interface where this will allow you to show where your plan will be changed back to your plan once this particular plan's time is done. So yes guys, this is the way. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching, and then we will be seeing you guys in our next video. If you got more concerns, leave them in the comments below right there, and yeah, bye bye.